Peafowl farming is well spread throughout the world, and it is considered as a very lucrative business. They are among the highly priced birds. But peafowls are not raised for meat or eggs, rather they are raised for their beauty. Most of the peafowl farmer raise them for the purpose of producing their colorful feathers, and also for selling live birds to the fanciers. Peafowl feathers have a huge demand around the world, especially in the European countries. Peafowls change their plumage once a year, and you can get about 150 to 200 feathers from an adult bird every year. So, if you want to start commercial peafowl farming business, consider about marketing your products first. Peafowls are suitable for commercial raising, both in the town and village areas. Contact with your nearest wildlife service centers and learn whether commercial peafowl farming is permitted in your area or not. Peafowls always love to stay in a group. Average life expectancy of peafowl is around 35 years. They reach sexual maturity at their 3 to 4 years of age. Usually peafowls' breeding season starts with the monsoon. Each peacock mate with 5 to 6 peahens in his group during this season. Peacocks dance raising their tail plumage to attract peahens, which is very impressive and mind-blowing. After successful mating, peahens lay about 3 to 5 eggs by making a small hole in the ground. The eggs are off-white colored. Usually, it takes about 27 to 30 days to hatch their eggs. There are many peafowl breeds available around the world. Usually, peafowls have 3 species, and rest are the hybrids or crosses. Some common peafowl breeds are blue Indian, black shoulder, buffered bronze, charcoal, cameo, Java green peafowl, opal, Oaten, Spalding, purple, white, pied, etc. Peafowls do not bathe in water like other pheasants. They clean themselves by vigorously rubbing their plumage in dust and dry soil. In case of large-scale peafowl farming, you have to ensure adequate housing and good environment. Ensure well ventilation system inside the house. Usually, 100 square feet space required for each bird. Adjust the housing space according to the length of peacock's trains. Generally, peacock trains can be over 5 feet long. You can feed your peafowl wheat, rice, bananas, peppers, peanuts, tomatoes, vegetables, seeds, insects, frogs, small fish, small snakes, snails, etc. If you have any peachicks, you can feed them turkey starter feed, boiled chicken eggs, etc. Peafowl don't drink water frequently, like other domestic poultry birds. Usually, they drink water during their midday rest and while eating in late afternoon. You will be able to start small-scale peafowl production with little investment. Commercial peafowl production can be a great employment source for the unemployed educated young people.